Have you noticed my beard is a little bit shorter? Well, I did have an accident and it's totally okay. But the good news is you guys get to learn through my experience. And this video is going to be all about what you should do after you singe your beard. You get it too close to a fire, or heck, you actually catch your beard on fire. Now, story time. Roll with me, guys. Close your eyes here. I am out camping with my beautiful family, having an amazing weekend. Some memories I'm already looking forward to. And it's midday. It's time for Violet to go take a nap inside the trailer. So I got to get the boys out because they're boys, they're loud, they're rambunctious. And I decided to have a midday campfire. I'm building the campfire up. I'm showing the boys, actually get them using a hatchet to kind of chop some wood, get the bark off of it. And we build it up log cabin style. That is the best style. Change my mind down in the comments if you think otherwise. And the fire's going well. Now I want to show them that pine cones are really good in a fire because they light easily and they stay lit for a while. Well, I grab a pine cone and I'm putting it in the fire, and as I'm leaning into it, I don't realize how low my beard is, and I hear the dreaded like sizzle, crap, snap, whatever that noise is when you have hair burning in a fire. I look down and I see the hairs on my knuckle are all singed. I'm like, oh my gosh, that could have been really bad. I didn't think anything else. Well, their nap gets over. I'm sitting down. Violet and Sam come out. Sam gives me Violet. I'm sitting with her, all cute. Got her in a little blanket. Put some pictures up on Instagram. Add me on Instagram if you guys have not yet. Please and thank you. And Violet grabs my beard. Anybody with a baby knows how that goes. And I'm like, oh, come on, Violet. And then I go to put it back, and I'm like, oh man, my beard's all knotted. Shoot, Violet grabbed it, and we had gone trick-or-treating the day before, and so I had a costume on that wrapped underneath, and I was like, Sam, man, this mask ruined my beard. I can't even get my fingers through it. I said, look at these hairs. She said, it looks like they're burned, or they look like they're singed. And I'm like, oh my gosh. That snap, crackle, pop sound was my beard, not my knuckles. Sure enough, I had burned this section of my beard in the fire. So, how do you respond? What are the next steps? It's very simple. I'm going to give you guys 4 steps. I'm going to show you one of them and then come back for a conclusion. So step number 1, once you have singed your beard hairs, or really any hair, is that hair, that part that is damaged is done. That is a wrap. There is nothing that can repair a singed hair. Whether it's split, whether it goes in like a curly Q, a lot of them kind of like go back on themselves and curl up. If you feel a texture difference there, that hair is damaged, you need to go in and individually trim those hairs where that damage is. So let's say the damage is on that last inch of the hair. Go one by one and trim those hairs out. I spent probably 2 hours that night in the trailer once everybody was in bed, at the table with a mirror, with some scissors, and I went hair by hair. And it was pretty simple. You could see a lot of them, but other ones I just felt. I just ran my fingers through it until you saw, or until you felt the different texture, made it tight, snip, made it tight, snip, and I really just got those out of there. Step number 2 is you need to take a shower and wash. I prefer a gentle wash in this situation, and condition. Really condition, focusing on the ends of the hairs to really lock in and maybe do a little bit of patching or repairing on the ends that you just cut, or maybe you have a little bit of frail. It's not going to fix the hairs, but it is going to help you comb through. It's going to help the health where you don't damage it in other ways, so they're not grabbing onto each other and causing knots. That in turn helps the health of your beard. Now, step 3, you want to style your beard. Go out of the shower like normal, get oil in first, style it. If you use heat, use heat. And then you need to assess the situation. Mine was right here, and once I got rid of probably, I don't know, ends of 200 hairs, this side was significantly longer than this one, so I needed to establish a line, and I wanted to then trim my beard even. I already cut out the damage, now I need to even it up. So step 3 is style, assess, and trim. And then step number 4, end that night, if you can, with a leave-in conditioner. You want to get that nourishment to the hair. That is the priority. Your skin will be fine. We're going to get that with the oils and your normal routines, but we do need to treat the hair with a leave-in conditioner. That's the number 1 way to get that direct absorbing nourishment that will help after a trim, that will help after some damage there, okay? So number 1, check the individual hairs, cut them. Number 2, wash and condition. Number 3, style, assess, and trim. And then number 4, leave-in conditioner. Now, I'm going to cut to me in a little montage, probably speed it up a little bit, put some music on it, showing you guys before my trim and then how I trimmed my beard even after I already cut out the one side. So we'll check that one, and then I'll be back to you guys for a conclusion. To wrap it up for our conclusion, this was not planned. This was not something I wanted to say, hey, let me burn my beard so I have some content, but it worked out. If you are searching for this video, I hope it helped you guys out. And there was some upside other than having a new video idea. I do like the little bit shorter version of my beard right now. For one fact alone, I can wear new shirts. This shirt I haven't worn for a while because my beard was kind of arching down here over the letters. But now that it's not over the logo and the letters here, hey, I get to rock it. So for me, I'm happy. It was a lesson learned. I need to be more aware of where my beard is at around the campfire, around the grill, or any type of heat source, fire, anything like that. It's something that as you grow the beard out, it's new territory that it just doesn't cross your mind. So lesson learned. Hopefully it helps some of you guys out there. If you're panicking, it's okay. Just trim it away and your beard will be fine. Please, if you've had any experiences, put your story down below. We would love to read your stories of burning your beard or your hair, or whatever it may be. Those for whatever reason, hopefully everyone's okay, right? We don't want any hurt, anything like that. But those that are really entertaining, I know you guys were probably entertained by my story and going through my sorrow and sadness of trimming my beard out that night, and I get it. It's just fun to talk about. So put your stories down below. And then did you have any experience with repairing your beard after? Did you learn something? Do you have any questions about this video? I would be happy to answer. Thank you guys for watching today. DanCBearded, stay bearded and stay positive.